Dalton's law states that in a sample containing a mixture of ideal gases, then the pressure exerted by each component, being the partial pressure, so for example, the partial pressure of gas A is PA, is independent of the other components. So therefore the total pressure of the gas mixture is equal to the sum of the partial pressures. And the partial pressure of one of the gases is equal to the total pressure multiplied by the mole fraction. So here we have the mole fraction of gas A, where the mole fraction is the number of moles of one of the gases on the total number of moles in the mixture. And this will become more clear when we cover an example.